How to set up Truecaller on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search Truecaller. After search Truecaller and click on install. After installing, click on open and click on get start. Select Truecaller, set as default. Select phone and you will see, click on continue, allow. Select country. After select country, type phone number. After type phone number, so you will see, click on tick, you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.